Ka Meghalaya Congress kala Pynrem jur halor ke Jingleh Pynjah Burom jong wei unong pendon kam social media u Akash sakar. Ubala perta yagi kentin nget nyam Hindu hapo jong ke Iingmane ha kasnong Mawlynnong. Unong yalam kaseng Congress uba Manuel Badwar ulaong bakani ke Jingleh ya kecaka kentang watla kam day da kecing penpra penjulur. Henry ke Jingleh jong ni ubriu day ban ai da kecing penshitom ke bating e. Ula kenturu ya baro kinong yalam kinong tauan bad ya baro ki MLA bad ki menteri ki baken thop ya menteri rangba gejela ban le ai namar kani ke Jingleh ke jong u kablong ka bapersha ya kariti sensha jong kari.
We still live in a secular country. Let's face fact, okay? And our constitution still defines it in a very, very large extent. So for somebody to show disrespect and to actually desecrate and do things like that is extremely, extremely condemnable. Urge all the politicians, all the policymakers and every MLA and every minister, including the chief minister, to say something about it and to condemn it, because this is something which is definitely going against the constitution of the country.